This is a quick review on the HS Strut Tail and Beard Turkey Mounting Kit. Now, I've used this kit a number of times over the years, and I keep going back to it. I find that it's very affordable, it's really easy to use, and it creates a great finished look. I love mounting turkey fans at home because it's easy. It's one of the very few forms of taxidermy that's really accessible to do at home. The kit comes with a brass nameplate, plaque, hardware, and instructions for mounting the tail and beard of your gobbler. I like to start with a little bit of borax on the bottom portion of the fan and use a really stiff bristled brush to kind of brush away the gunk. It even helps to cut in between each of the feathers to make sure that you're removing as much gunk as you possibly can. The borax then helps really dry it out and prepare you for the next step, which is auto body filler. Auto body filler is by far the easiest method that I have found to mount your turkey fan at home. It dries super quickly and it allows you to place the fan in the exact manner that you want it when it's hung up on your wall. Once the fan's ready, you can glue in your beard, tighten a couple screws, and you're ready to hang on the wall. I love this little kit. I think it's the perfect addition to any trophy room. So if you're interested in learning more, you can check out midwayusa.com.